Alright, that time of year again. We got the old turd in here. Having fuel problems last mud bog. So, been diving into this. I bought another pump. Hate to say it, honestly, this one actually sounds good. Well, seems to be good. It sounds horrible, but it sounded that way for the last couple of years. But my genius self, when I did this setup, because I did that and then I got this goes down over top of it. It's supposed to keep the mud out, but it doesn't work. It still gets in through the little holes down there. And I don't take it apart and clean it that often, except for like maybe every other year or so. It's probably not good on the pumps for them to be sitting in the dirt and the moisture and all that. So, all I really need to do is change the pump to at least try the other one to see if there's a difference. However, I can't just change the pump because of the way I have everything set up. So, we're going to redesign it because that's what we do. So, I'm going to get to taking this apart and see what I can come up with. Alright, one word, idiot. If I've ever talked shit about anybody not cleaning their fuel system, which I'm sure I have, now it's my turn. Idiot. Thought I changed it. On the upside, that's the engine side. This is the nitrous side. Which is not necessarily the best down in there, but at least the filter doesn't look like that one. So, yeah. I don't know. I'm considering maybe going with different filter style. Because they're used. This one's been JB welded. I probably should just stop screwing around and get something that's probably better. So, I'm gonna go back to continue seeing how much of an idiot I am. Yeah, lovely. Alright, so we're gonna do a little dry run here. So I don't remember which one it is. This one? It just doesn't sound happy. Now, this one, straight out of the box, haven't done anything to it. Suppose I should have put an end on it, maybe make this easier. Oh, hell. I mean, it kind of sounds the same, but it sounds a whole lot smoother, that's for sure. I don't know if you can hear that. And just so we're clear, I think the bearings might be wore out in that one. Alright, so getting closer. Got me started out as a piece of angle iron, and I'm like, I really don't need all that extra, so I cut it down. We're gonna just weld her right there. That'll hold one fuel pump, and figure out something for this side. Alright, so I got one pump mounted back up. It's a little crooked, gotta straighten that up, but now figure out where this one's gonna go. Something in there ish. Yeah. Maybe it'd be easier to clean out in there now too. We're slowly making progress. All right, that's what I got. Should work. Now I just gotta wait for fuel lines so I can, well, new fuel filters, because yeah, I'm gonna get rid of those. And yeah, what is it, Memorial Weekend? It's got to be ready. Yeah, be fine. It's fine. Till next time. Oh wait, no, hold on. Almost forgot. Really kind of want to tell you guys this. So I was gonna make this bolt on, and I've got holes where the old box used to sit, and I was gonna put bolts through it and weld to the angle iron. I just didn't feel like it was gonna be strong enough. And I don't want this breaking off and hanging by the wires and the fuel line, and yeah, who knows what else. So I just went ahead and welded it solid. But yeah, till next time. If it was easy, everybody'd be doing it.